Good morning, loves. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. I'm back with another cooking video. Today we are cooking chicken, basic recipe. So with me here, I have half chicken. I have tomato paste because Nairobi has decided that there are no tomatoes. I have chicken masala. I have hoho or capsicum. I have garlic and onions. So let's get to cooking. So here's our chicken. I've already washed it, so I'm going to add in onions, and then I mashed garlic and a little bit of ginger, so I'm going to add that too. Then I'm going to put in some water and salt and let them boil together. The reason why I boil my garlic inside the reason why I boil my garlic in the chicken is because I want to taste the garlic inside the chicken, not the garlic on the soup or in the soup. I want to taste it inside the chicken. I had boiled water in the thermos and I figured why not instead of using cold water, but you can use cold water. This was just a by the way. 30 minutes later, the chicken was okay. So I'm going to add in some hoho or capsicum. I hope I'm saying it correct, capsicum. I'm going to add that in. At this point, if you taste your chicken, you'll taste garlic, you'll taste ginger, you'll taste the salt inside the chicken. So that's a good chicken. So let's add some capsicum. Just in case you're wondering why I did not put in any cooking oil, it's because the chicken produced its own oil, and when I realized that, I decided not to use any. Add in the tomato paste. And then I'm going to add some chicken masala. I had some chicken broth. After the chicken was done, there was still water. I put it aside, and this is what I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to also add some more water. Let it boil for at least 10 minutes and then it will be ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So this meal is going to be served with ugali and vegetables. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.